right now just kind of bring your knees up when we're talking about this one. It's gonna be high knees. Start 20 seconds on, 5 seconds just to transition. So we're gonna get to our next move quickly. High knees, then marching steps. Really focus on that core when you're doing those. And we're gonna grab the 10-pound weight for some torso twists. Then it's gonna be a straight arm plank hold. Knee to elbows in the plank. And then plank hold again. So high knees. Then after that, we're gonna come up, get in high knees, marching steps, and knee to elbows while standing. So, 2 different variations. Come on. High knees. Get them up there. Pull them up, pull them up, pull them up, pull them up, pull them up. Getting a little bit of cardio with this coordinate too. All right, now we're going to marching steps. Ready? Go. Bring up, bring up, bring up. Pull them up, come on. If you put your hands here, you should be able to feel your overhaul core pattern working. Come on, bring them up, bring them up. All right, grab that weight. Get those torso twists. Out and go. I actually set each one for 22 seconds instead of 20 seconds, just in case we're still in transition. So we get a couple extra seconds there for each move. If you move quickly, if it beeps before you're quite there, you're A-okay still. Down it goes, getting into that plank. Draw the shoulders back. And now get ready for those knee to elbows. Come on, come on. Pull them up. Come to your elbows. Get them up there. Up that core. All right. Time for the regular whole plank again. Draw those shoulders back. Coming up after this to high knees again. I hear you, buddy. All right, come on up. Okay, get into those high knees. Go for it, come on. Come up, bring up. I don't always have cardio in my core, but sometimes I do. Just depends on what we did for the day. All right, marching steps, and then knee to elbows. March it out, come on. March it out. Really focus on that pull up. Pulling it up. Come on. I'm going to twist the body to the knee. I'm going to take right knee, elbow, left knee. And we're doing these, okay? Ready? Go. Twist the lower one, 2. Lower number, twist, 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 hit, out. Come on. Man, that would be all of it. You're down, legs out wide. Not too hard, but wide. Whoa, let's slip off of it. Push your legs back. Twist your shoulder down. Get that back twist and shoulder stretch too. Other side. Twist it out, come on. Excellent job. Repeat it if you can. If not, you got it and got it done.